Claire, what is your favorite egg-based holiday drink?
Well, there's only one, isn't there? And it's eggnog. And I don't love it.
Welcome to another episode of Hacker Wack Snack Edition. Today, we're getting into the holiday spirits. How are we going to improve upon this holiday classic?
Yeah, I'm not the biggest fan because to me, it has the texture of melted ice cream. So I think one thing you can always do to give beverages a little room to breathe and give them a little bit of airiness is to just shake them like you would a cocktail over a big old ice cube. So I think we should try that, but I also think we should try our eggnogs just to get a baseline.
Claire, I don't know if I've ever had eggnog.
You don't know if you've ever had eggnog?
I'm also very Jewish, so...
That's right, you are very Jewish.
It literally tastes like melted ice cream. You are absolutely right.
It's fine. I think we can do better though. I think the shaking. Look, I got a penguin. I got a penguin shaker. Seasonal.
Seasonal. Okay, so what's going in our shaker?
Fill it with ice. I'm gonna do one big cube.
Okay, how much eggnog?
Enough to fill a glass. I don't know. I don't drink a lot of eggnog, so I don't know what a reasonable. Maybe 3 ounces is reasonable. It's fine.
How long do we shake?
Good. Ooh.
Okay, here we go.
Oh, you can see the aeration.
Well, let's try it now. So aerated eggnog. I like it a lot better. Yeah. It's definitely, I would assume you're gonna tell me, but that the ice diluted it a little bit, that we got some air in there, so it's much, really without adding anything or too much effort, it's much easier to drink this.
Yeah, it's lighter, the flavors kind of have some space to sort of breathe. It's not so dense and mouth coating.
I like it. Do you have anything else we can add to it?
You bet I do, my friend.
How much?
I don't know, I'm just gonna eyeball it.
I'm just adding a little extra. Who cares? It's Christmas.
Happy holidays! Happy Hanukkah! When is Hanukkah this year?
Alexa, when's Hanukkah this year?
Hanukkah begins at sundown on Thursday, December 10th, 2020.
December 10th to 18th is the answer. Yuletide.
Yuletide Christmas time.
Oh, see that I like.
Yeah. Bourbon makes it better.
The bourbon, well, I feel just like the alcohol cuts through the egginess and the heaviness of the dairy. It's kind of, when I was drinking just the straight up eggnog, I was kind of wanting the bite of some alcohol coming in through the back.
You need it. You need that ethanol.
Do you want to call if you think you did a good job improving eggnog?
I think I did a great job. I think it's a snack.
I agree with you. I think this is a snack. Although, once again, I think after a full cup of eggnog shaken with bourbon that I would fall over and die. Claire, this has really put me in the holiday, the giving spirit.
Do you have a gift for me?
No.
Oh,